Today we're going to start talking about value. Now, when we talk about value, it's not how much something is, but it's about the lightness and darkness of a color when we're talking about art. If it's a tint, you add white to it, but if it's a shade, you add black. For today's assignment, you're going to need your sketchbook, a pencil of some kind, and different tools that you can use to trace and make shapes on your artwork. Your first step is to fill your page completely with shapes that overlap and touch one another. These will create additional interesting shapes. Before you actually begin adding your value, please make sure to add a frame around the edge of your artwork. This just creates a nice clean finish. Using your pencil, choose one section that you're going to start to shade to add that value and add pigment or color to that space. In this case, I'm using a pencil. So I'm going to add more pigment, more color in one area, and as I go farther away from that section, I go lighter and lighter, adding less and less. Now I'm going to detail this with my finger to make sure that I'm blending everything very nice and neatly. Each section that I work in, I'm going to start the darkest area of the value in a different space. So that's going to create a much more interesting composition or artwork when you're done. Once each section is completed, finish up nice and neatly, making sure that every area has been addressed and you have no empty, boring shapes left over. Now, using your eraser, go over and make sure you've got no spaces that need cleaning up, making sure to pay careful attention to your edges and any spaces where you may have accidentally gone into your border. Finally, for the final points, you must make sure you autograph, sign your artwork. Have fun!